this is how the hash browns looked right after. As you can see, they're a lot more soft looking, and they're obviously a little bit cooked. So I'm just gonna dump this in my stove, or on my, whatever this thing is called, I forgot. I'm gonna leave this in a giant pile right now because this is when I'm gonna add oil and season. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of olive oil and drizzle it all on top of the hash brown. I'm gonna go ahead and season with some garlic salt and some pepper. And now is when I'm gonna go ahead and spread it apart and then cover it up so it can cook fast. I also am gonna go ahead and cook 2 eggs in a little bit, but I also like adding an additional source of some type of protein in there, whether it be turkey sausage, or if I don't have meat, I'll use just some like turkey breast, like sandwich meat. It's nice and chopped, and this is what's gonna go in with the eggs. We're gonna go ahead and prep my coffee now. I make my coffee the night, sorry, the hash browns are cooking, y'all, but I make my coffee the night before, and I just go ahead and let it sit in the fridge overnight because I am an iced coffee drinker. So I make, as you can see, quite a big abundance of coffee. I'm gonna fill up the coffee to above custom right here. And typically I would add oat milk, but unfortunately I ran out of it last night. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of vanilla unsweetened almond milk. Then lastly, I'm gonna add just a little bit of this almond milk creamer. It's my favorite non-dairy creamer, and it's in vanilla. And I just add like a dash of that. And then before I head out the door, I'll pop in some ice cubes and add a straw. All right, as you can tell, they're ready. As you can see, they are perfect, nice, crispy. Hash browns are hard to make, so if you know, you know. Practice makes perfect, literally, not even kidding. But now that these are sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and make my egg scramble with the turkey. A little bit of olive oil. Alright, so before I head out the door after I've eaten my meal, I take 2 of these hair, skin, nail, and gummies. And guys, these literally have changed my life. I grew up my entire life biting my nails and having super thin nails. I'd get acrylics, make it worse. And I started taking these for, I want to say, oh my gosh, like for like 6 months now. And guys, like these, I know they're kind of gross because they're long, but like these are my natural nails. They're incredibly strong. They don't break. They grow so fast. My hair has grown a crazy amount. So if you're looking for vitamins, totally not spons, wish I was, but yeah, you have to get these ones though. They're the ones with biotin and collagen, not just the original ones. You need these ones.
not worrying about carpooling. Because as
this is like the worst flavor I've ever had of them. You like coconut?
I love coconut.
Oh. On you!
And that's the only class.
This is literally the reality of college.
Yeah.
Trying to find classes that will cooperate with not only like your ride schedule, but your life schedule. You know, you're a full-time college student, you have a job. Like, it's a lot. Okay, this is what I have for lunch, and it's a really not appetizing look, but I promise you it tastes a lot better than it looks. It's 2 of those like chili lime burgers from Trader Joe's that you just defrost and you cook them on your stove with a little bit of sweet potatoes on the side. Guys, I literally have to walk all the way across campus to eat my food in the elevator. Watch her come back and we'll be like, what the heck? I can't open it. I stayed. Let me do a review. Just kidding.
I remember in the old games, Curry could like float on screen forever basically.
I know.
Did you say it slaps?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they said it slaps.
I'm waiting for someone to walk in.
What was that one? Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. I was gonna say, I like it. You were like very. Oh.